On a hot sunny day, when you are not at home, you will feel very hot outside and you will not find many places to take shelter. So I've created a device which is pocket friendly and you can use it to cool yourself. Let's check it out. This is a micro USB fan. You can carry it along with you in your pocket as it is very pocket friendly. The only thing is that you can change the front adapter to a micro USB-C type cable so that you can plug it in a micro USB type C phone. It doesn't take much charge, just 1 to 2% per hour, and it's not that much, and it rotates just fine. So let us check out what are the required items. After taking all the stuff, the first thing you need to do is take the USB cable and solder it to the motor with the propeller with soldering iron. Now, the next thing will be to take the ice cream stick or whatever thing you are taking as the support or the backbone for the whole structure. What I've done here is taken a big ice cream stick and cut it into parts. One is a small one and one is this big one. I've just glued it using super glue and nothing else. Now, I'm going to take 3 double-sided tapes, or you can also use 2. One should go over here and the other one can go right over here. This will be for the support so that all the stuff can stick over here, and I'm not going to use some glue on this thing. Now let me just remove this thing, it's peeled off, and take the motor and stick it right on top of it. Perfect. And also take the down strap and put it over here. Now if we just put this thing on and put it in our phone, it should work. Just give me a second to bring the other phone. Alright, so now I've brought the other phone and also I have this phone here. So let me just turn on the screen and just put on the adapter, and it should turn on beautifully. Let's just click OK here, and even if my phone is closed, it will still work. As you can see, it's a great fan, very portable, which you can just carry in your pocket anywhere else. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to leave a like, share and subscribe. I just added some tapes. It was a little wobbly and everything was falling apart, so don't forget to put on the tapes, and I will see you dudes next time.